Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Kishore here, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. So from the thumbnail you would have seen that 52% of return on investment in just 2 months. Is it possible? And we're going to discuss where did we make this profit from. So everybody will be having a perspective, okay, in case of 50% it has to be from options or from futures. So I want to tell you that this return on capital was made from equities market. And you could have also made that 52% of return in the market as well by investing in the analysis of stocks which we recommended, like the penny stocks and the large cap and mid cap stocks, like the top 3 stock series which we are giving now. So that is what we made profit of 52% in 2 months. So I'll show you the sheet of the return on capital. All right, so from the sheet you can see that these are the recommended scripts for the month of May and June. So from the time of recommendation, now the overall return on capital is 52%. And the invested amount, what we did is we invested 30,000 in all these scripts. The total investment was 4,50,000 and the profit was 2,34,000 and the ROA's return on investment is 52% for the overall capital invested in just 2 months. All right, and as you can see, the market's entry price is 392, 638. So all these things are there, and the change and the total amount investment and the total shares and the profit. All right, so this is what I wanted to show you, that even in equities market, it is possible to make money. See, most of the people's let's say expectation from the market is to make like 10% a month. So when they cannot have a proper analysis of the script, what they do is they try to go for a leverage funding, like they want to go for intraday, or they want to go for futures market, or they want to go for options market. But the thing is, if you properly analyze the market, and a little bit of fundamental and a proper technical analysis can give you more than 10% in the equities market itself. But that doesn't mean I don't want you to trade in futures. See, I have a certain risk management method in futures. In case if I'm going to trade in futures, minimum I need 3.5 lakhs capital to take one lot in futures. That is how I trade. For an instance, let's say if you have 35 lakhs, I'll invest 3.5 lakhs for each future, so one lot. So for one lot, it will cost me like 1.5 lakhs to 2 lakhs, and I have a surplus amount of 1.5 lakhs as surplus. Now what happens is, in this total 10 diversified stocks, automatically when the stock moves up or comes down, say what you're doing is it takes 7 lakhs to buy a future slot in shares. So one future lot is worth around 6 to 7 lakhs. So for half the amount, you're trying to buy the same stock. And when the market goes 50% down, then that is the only time you'll be losing all your money in futures. But the thing is, since you have diversified your investments, one stock will be going up and one stock may come down. And what happens is it balances, and the overall portfolio will be in profits if you have 35 lakhs and you're going to diversify in 10 different futures lot. But my recommendation is, if you're a beginner and if you're just starting to trade in the markets, it is better to go with equities. Start with the equities, and once you are a professional and you understand the structure of the market and how the market moves, then it is recommended for you to come into futures and options. All right, so that is what I want to show you. So even in equities market, it is possible to make more than 50% if the market is good in a year. So I'm not saying that in a month you are going to make 50% or 60%. If return on capital is more than 10 to 15% a year, it is very good. So most of the people go and invest in mutual funds and different things for a return on capital more than the fixed deposits in the bank. So your proper analysis and having a proper mindset and patience in the market and doing your homework correctly can make you a lot of returns in the market. If the market is on the uptrend, you have to keep that in mind. If Nifty is going for a downtrend, don't take it as a bad thing. It's another opportunity where you can buy all the valuable things at a low price. So that is how I see the market. Even if it is a crash, if you take the overall trend of a market, after a major crash, there was always a recovery, and you have seen Nifty has come to 16,000 now. So there is always a possibility to make money in the market, but the only thing is you need patience in the market. All right, so that is why I say you have to have proper understanding of the market structure and technical analysis. So once you have that, you will be able to make a good amount of returns in the market as well. All right. So in case if you want to learn those things, we at Trade Achievers, we teach people on how to use proper technical analysis in the market. So in case if you want to join our classes as well, you can give your call to the number in the scroll. They'll give you all the details. And all our branches in Chennai, Coimbatore and Bangalore has been opened. In case if you're not able to come to all the 3 branches, you can always opt for the online classes. It starts on Monday as well, and you can give a call to the number. They'll give you all the details on that as well. All right. So my suggestion is, if you're a beginner, start trading in equities, and once you understand the concept of technical analysis and how the market moves, then you can go for futures and options as well. But first, have a proper knowledge about the market and have a proper knowledge about technical analysis and how to analyze a chart. That will be the most valuable thing for you to invest your money in. All right. I hope this video was useful, and thank you very much for joining. Take care.